Hello and welcome to Kids Coloring Land. Today I am going to draw an umbrella, boots and rainy cloud drawing. If you follow the step-by-step drawing tutorial, you can draw your own beautiful drawing. Let's draw with me. I hope you will enjoy drawing and painting with beautiful colors. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now comes to most exciting part, coloring. Let's start painting an umbrella, boots and rainy cloud with beautiful colors. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Orange color. Let's paint with orange color. Purple color. Let's paint with purple color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Orange color. Let's paint with orange color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. If you like my work, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.